Hello everyone. So the topic of my today's video is expanding the horizons of homeopathy. Basically, I will be talking about that how homeopathy has a wide scope in future and how it can act as the medicine of the future. So as we all know that these days our lifestyle has greatly changed and there are various environmental influences which are having a great impact on our lifestyle. So, taking into consideration the effect of these environmental influences, like our lifestyle, our dietary habits, the complexity of the miasmatic influences coming up, the drug diseases. So, taking into consideration the impact of these on our health, the need of the hour is that the homeopathy needs an extension, and this extension has become mandatory so that the scope of application of homeopathic medicines for the cure of the sick is widened. Now this can be done by the help of various factors. First is in cases of for chronic diseases. So we all know that Hahnemann has given 47 miasmatic drugs in his chronic diseases, but taking into consideration so many new diseases and so many new symptoms coming up, it needs an addition. The chronic it needs an addition of more drugs. So adding more drugs to this compendium will enrich the information on the subject of homeopathic drug proving in the domain of homeopathic literature. This would greatly increase the applicability of homeopathy. Secondly, in cases of public health, homeopathy can emerge as the best way of preserving health since it is treating the patients with a holistic approach. Homeopathy treats on the basis of individualization and on the basis of symptoms presented by each individual and not by any name of the nosological disease. So, due to its holistic approach, it can really emerge as the best way of preserving health and the best way of a preventive medicine. Thirdly, lifestyle disorders. In recent times, we can see that these lifestyle disorders are rarely cured by the medical profession. Instead, they are only managed by the drugs. So, holistic world of homeopathy has some great results for curing these lifestyle diseases since we are giving medicines on the basis of symptoms. Then next is the psychoneuroimmunology and the psychoneuroendocrinology. Homeopathy is an emerging field which treats diseases from this standpoint and not by the nosological names of disease. Therefore, it has a great scope as the medicine of the future. Promotion of research work in the field of homeopathy. So, if an awareness and passion for research is created among the budding homeopaths, the scope of homeopathy can be greatly widened. So, creating newer methods and tools for research work in homeopathy can bring about a great change, and teaching these things to the budding homeopaths would really impact the future of homeopathy. Last point I would like to tell is that studying homeopathy in integration with the allied subjects. So, the plan of teaching and institutional training, if modified to encourage the study of homeopathy in integration with the allied subjects, would widely enhance the level of homeopathic education. If this is done, then it would lead to a much better understanding of the subjects among the students, and therefore definitely it would impact the future generations, the future times of homeopathy. So, the increasing popularity of homeopathic treatment demands taking this system to newer heights to meet the challenges in road to health of the future generations. Thank you for listening and your time. Please like, comment or subscribe to this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box. Thank you.